OneWeb is a global communications company building a capability to deliver broadband satellite internet services worldwide. The company is headquartered in London and has offices in California and a satellite manufacturing facility in Florida. OneWeb Satellites, that is a joint venture with Airbus Defence and Space. The company was formerly known as WorldVu Satellites Ltd. The company was founded by Greg Weiler in 2012 and launched its first satellites in February 2019. It entered bankruptcy in March 2020 after failing to raise the requisite capital to complete the build and deployment of the remaining 90% of the network. The company emerged from the bankruptcy proceedings and reorganization in November 2020 with a new ownership group led by the government of the United Kingdom and Indian multinational company Bharti Global, each holding 42% of the company equity and board. OneWeb reaffirmed its intent to continue to build out the satellite constellation. SoftBank retained an equity holding of 12%. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.